Right now, inside your Canva dashboard, there are features sitting there doing absolutely nothing. Not because they don't work, but because you think Canva is just a drag-and-drop tool. You're out here spending 3 hours manually resizing an Instagram post for TikTok or changing fonts one by one. You're designing like it's 2015. I'm not making this up. These are built-in free features that Canva gave you, and 99% of creators and business owners have never clicked on them. Not once. The pro designers, the ones charging $2,000 for a single social media kit, they're using every single one of these. And you're out here stressing over alignment and grids. So let me save you the stress. By the end of this video, you'll know every hidden weapon inside your Canva account. And I promise you, feature number 4 is going to make you feel like you've been living under a rock. Let's get into it. All right, first one. And honestly, if you post to social media, this alone is worth the entire video. It's called Bulk Create. When I first found this, I thought it was a glitch. You have a social media calendar, right? You want to post 30 quotes or 30 tips for the month. Most people open a design, type it out, download it, open a new page, repeat. That is a waste of your life. Go to Apps on the sidebar and type Bulk Create. You upload a CSV file, literally just a list of your 30 quotes in Excel or Google Sheets. You click Connect Data, and within 5 seconds, Canva generates all 30 unique designs for you. You don't touch a mouse. You don't align a single text box. It's a cheat code. Stop doing the manual labor. Next up, Magic Switch. This is the setting that separates the amateurs from the pros. You create a beautiful vertical video for TikTok. It hits, it goes viral. Then you think, I should put this on YouTube Shorts and Instagram. You go to open a new project, copy-paste elements, realign everything, stretch the background, stop. Click Magic Switch in the top bar. Pick your new format, YouTube Short, LinkedIn Post, Flyer, click Resize. Canva doesn't just stretch your elements. It uses AI to intelligently reframe the layout to fit the new aspect ratio. It saves you an hour of tedious grunt work for every single project. You know how Photoshop users act superior because they have layers? Well, Canva has had a layers panel for a while now, and most people act like it doesn't exist. If you've ever had a background image that you accidentally clicked and moved while trying to edit a text box, you know the pain. You're clicking everywhere trying to isolate elements. Go to Position and click the Layers tab. This gives you a literal map of your design. You can hide elements, lock them, or reorder them instantly. It turns Canva from a toy into a professional editing software. If you aren't using this, you are working harder, not smarter. Feature number 4, the one that will make you realize you've been doing it the hard way. You have a design you love, but you hate the colors. You change the background, then you have to change the text, then the icons. It's a mess. Go to the Styles tab. You can click a color palette, and Canva will instantly reapply those colors to every element on your page. But the real magic? The Shuffle button. You can keep clicking Shuffle, and it cycles through different design permutations until you find one that looks pro. It turns you from a non-designer into a professional layout artist in 3 seconds. Now, I need to pause here because these features are great, but they are just tools. You can have the best paintbrushes in the world, but if you don't know how to paint, you're just making a mess. Before I show you the next features, you need to understand the brutal truth about design. Consistency equals authority. If your Instagram looks one way, your YouTube thumbnail another, and your website a third, people don't trust you. You look like a side hustler, not an expert. It was so frustrating for me to keep my brand consistent that I ended up building something to fix it. I built a system called the Creator Design OS. This isn't just a template. It's a unified design language system for Canva. It includes 50-plus pre-built high-conversion layouts that use all the settings I'm showing you today. I use this for every single one of my projects. And because I want you to actually look professional, I'm giving away the Essentials pack of this system for free right now. Check the link in the description. It's a direct download. Use it. Combine it with these settings and your design workflow will be 10x faster. But grab it soon. I can't keep the link active forever due to server costs. Let's get back to the features. Smartmockups. If you're selling a digital product, a course, or just want your screenshots to look legit, stop taking boring screenshots. Go to Edit Photo and look for Smartmockups. You click it, and Canva automatically wraps your design onto a laptop, an iPhone, a hoodie, a coffee mug, anything. It handles the perspective, the shadows, the reflections. You look like you hired a product photographer. In reality, it took you 2 clicks. We've all seen grab text, but we forget to use it. You have an image of a PDF, a handwritten note, or a screenshot of a quote, and you want that text in your design. Don't retype it. Don't use a third-party OCR tool. Upload the image, click Edit Photo, and hit Grab Text. Canva converts the pixels into editable text blocks in your brand font. It's like magic. If you aren't doing this, you are wasting time manually transcribing stuff. Last one, and this separates the casual users from the people actually running a business. Your brand kit. Most people set a logo and ignore the rest. You need to preload your fonts, your color palettes, and even your brand voice inside the AI writer settings. Why? Because when you open a new design, everything is already there. You don't have to look up hex codes. You don't have to search for your font. It is the frictionless path to a professional look. So, there you go. 7 settings that make Canva feel like a superpower. Bulk Create, Magic Switch, Layers, Styles, Mockups, Grab Text, and your brand kit. Most people are flying blind, manually clicking and dragging for hours. Now you aren't. But remember what I said. A tool is only as good as the system behind it. If you haven't grabbed the Creator Design OS yet, the link is in the description. It's free for right now. If this video helped you stop wasting time, smash that like button. It takes half a second and it tells YouTube to show this to more creators who need it. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.